Did you know that you could actually search for any item online using just an image of it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right on your phone. If you are looking forward to doing this on a computer, you can check our next video for the details on how to do it on a computer. So this is the image that I'm going to use for this particular example. Let's go to Google. So because we are going to use Google to do the search, you can just go to google.com and select images here right on your phone. I prefer Chrome browser, so currently I'm using the Chrome browser. So you either go to google.com and click on the images here so that you have Google Images opened, or you can directly enter into your address bar images.google.com, and that will bring you to this particular interface again. So if you were on a computer, you would have seen additional icons in the search bar, but on the phone those icons are not available. So you have to, there is a small trick that we have to do to get them to come. So pay particular attention to this. The three dots at the top here, click that, then choose desktop site. So over here, desktop site, make sure that one is selected. As you can see, desktop site is now checked, and once it is checked, we have these additional icons, the microphone and the camera icon. We are going to use the camera icon to bring up our images. So by a click of it, you are going to search by the image. If you have a URL to that particular image, you just paste the URL in here. Otherwise, click on upload an image, then choose file. So go to your files, then locate that particular file that you want. So I'm going to pick this file. So Google will upload the file and give you files that are related to it, and probably even the name and other sites that you can get it from. So this is the outcome of my search. Possible related search to Acer Gaming Nitro 5. So the image that I've searched is Acer Gaming Nitro 5, and now I have all the information I can get on a normal Google search if I knew the item. So this is the easiest way to find an item if you have only an image of the item. If you want to be able to do this on a desktop too or a laptop, check our next tutorial. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, and also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.